Hey guys, I'm moving.
For real this time, I'm moving. I sold my house. This house is no longer mine anymore. Today is January 10th, so in a month, this house is completely going to be somebody else's. I'm moving. This has been a long time coming. Oh my God, it doesn't even feel real. I sold my house, buyer and seller. We both signed it. It's a done deal. It's sold. This house is no longer mine anymore. We sold it. Now I just have to move. But before we get into the whole chaos of the move, I do want to tell you guys that this has been a long time coming. You guys know that I've been trying to sell this house.
Hey guys, we are starting off the first week of the new year, 2024, with a day that could be a big day, but I don't want to give my hopes up. It has to do with the house. Today, I have a showing in 40 minutes at 3 p.m. I paid for the house to get professionally cleaned. We are not messing around with this. I am at the finish line and it looks beautiful.
The market is not the best, but I'm really blessed that I found the perfect buyer. They're really excited to be in this house, and this is the perfect time. I mean, I'm literally starting the year, leaving this house behind me in 2023 and starting fresh for 2024. That is all I wanted for Christmas. I cried about it, I prayed about it, and I got it. Outside of going to the gym, I really don't have a life here anymore, and everything that is meant for me is in LA. So the closing is right before Valentine's Day. Today is January 10th, so in a month, this house is completely going to be somebody else's. However, I was planning on doing an LA trip at the end of January to do top of the year meeting. So I technically have to be out of here in like 2 weeks. So that gives us 2 weeks to empty this hoarder house. But let me tell you something, the basement is a problem, okay? I'm like a storage unit for the Nikki and Gabby channel. It literally looks like a store down there. So much old clothes, so much old furniture. I wanted to start the moving series by tackling the basement. That is the biggest issue. Ultimately, I've decided I'm downsizing my life. I don't want to ever live out of my means or in a big ass house by myself. So step one is tackling the biggest burden, which is the basement. So I'm gonna bring you guys down there. I'm gonna give you guys a tour and we're all gonna figure out how to even tackle this because I don't even know what I'm doing. It's crazy down there.
All right, we're going down.
Cue the horror music.
Two weeks, guys. I got 2 weeks. Oh man. All right, I have to put on a jacket. It is freezing down here. So today I'm going to go through everything. We're gonna do an overhaul and choose what we are going to keep, sell, and get rid of. So we're gonna put things into 3 categories. That's gonna take all day. We're gonna go through everything. Sky's helping me, guys. She's here from Canada again. Somebody just arrived. Sky's back. We're back for 2024. We're going hard, okay? We have so much up our sleeve. So I got Post-it notes. They have different colors, 3 colors. I'm a visual person. I'm very like ADHD color coded vibe. This is what's gonna help me. I think that pink should be keep, green should be sell, and blue should be get rid of. Like blue's sad, like it's gotta go. And pink is keep because it's like spicy. This is how my brain works. This is how I used to pick highlighter colors when taking notes in like high school. The color had to match the vibe. Okay, green, money, sell. Definitely selling this guy. Guys, my egg ottoman. Do I keep or get rid of? It's like kind of stained. I think I can start fresh. This is gonna be fun. Why do I want to keep all of it? I have nowhere to put it. Keep everything. I love this. I'm waiting for the right apartment though. This will look perfect wherever I live next. This mirror has been with me everywhere I've lived, from my first apartment in LA to my apartment in Pennsylvania to this house. This is going with me in my forever house one day. Guys, I'm finding so much stuff that went missing. You know what's crazy is I don't even have to think about this. I know right away what I'm keeping, selling, getting rid of. This is like so therapeutic. It's like I've known what to do with everything all along, but I just let it sit here. I'm telling you, my old vibe was my forever vibe. My old apartment, I'm keeping most of the stuff from that. I think this is Gabby's mirror for our old film house. I've told Gabby to come claim her stuff and she has yet to do it. And I said if she didn't, I would sell it, so. All of this is like memorabilia, like my old jewelry line, knickknacks. I have a lot of merch here, which I still need for my shows. I feel like I need to keep one box of each and just get rid of everything else, because this is giving hoarder. First new category is pink for keep, except I'm gonna write on it and put parents' house, because my parents are gonna want all the memories. Oh my God, these are pink chairs that were never used. Fun fact, before the pandemic, we were gonna do a series called The Headquarters Makeover, and me and Gabby were gonna redo the entire film house, and we bought these chairs for the dining room, these pink chairs. They're so cute, but these are not my vibe. I'm gonna sell them because I wanna start fresh. All right guys, so I just found this beautiful Cool and Warm Tones rug that I actually ordered back in September. Little story time. I actually signed a lease nearby at this beautiful lofted apartment that I didn't end up moving into as soon as I decided I was gonna list this house. I even shopped for rugs, furniture, lighting. It fell through because my unit started smelling like smoke. Thank God I didn't move anything over there, or else that would have been another nightmare added to this house chaos. But I did get a really cute rug from it. My next space, wherever I live, is going to be very mid-century modern, cozy, coffee shop vibes, but a little more like grown up. I'm gonna take my pink sticky and mark this as keep for my new space, wherever that may be. The Niki and Gabby Streamy Award for fashion. Oh my God. We're gonna send this to parents' house. Update. We did a lot of decluttering and organizing everything into bins that are keep, sell, or donate. There's a lot of donate boxes and things I feel like people would really, really enjoy, like decor, seasonal stuff, throw pillows that I don't use. We're gonna work over here now with the clothing. This is a whole separate situation. Okay guys, hello. It is the next day. I ended up going to bed early last night because I didn't realize how tiring that was gonna be. But today we are just gonna focus on the clothing. We also have bins to help us out, but we're still gonna keep the 3 same categories. But I don't wanna sell on Depop. I actually think that I have a lot to do in the next 10 days before I completely move out of this house. I do not have it in me to sell and list things on Depop. So I think what I'm gonna do for the sell category is take it to my local Plato's Closet and see if they want to buy any of the pieces off of me for the store. But other than that, it's just donate. I'm excited to start over. I'm not going into this looking to make money. I'm just looking to clear this out. Okay. Happy pump up next? Yeah. 'Cause I'm happy. Yeah. Guys, this is from me and Gabby's Wet Seal collab. I'm getting rid of it. Like, we don't need that memory. Like, it's in my head. I'm learning that I don't need for donating that. Donate. I really hoarded a ton of memories. I think this is my ex's merch. Donate. Wait, we are definitely keeping the girls' night in sweatshirt. I actually want to wear this actively. I'm so keeping this. Oh, I got broken up with in that dress.
Oh, let's donate that.
Alright guys, so fun story. Actually, really cute story. I went through my first breakup and I moved to LA and I was living in Santa Monica and I felt really out of place. So a friend of mine, who actually knew Jules at the time, which is really weird, invisible string theory, she was our old tour manager and she took me thrift shopping to feel better. We went to this vintage store and my hair was this color blue. I had just made it a lighter blue. I saw this and I said, I want to wear this to an award show when I'm nominated for like a Grammy or something. And I bought this dress.
Stunning.
And I've never gotten rid of it. When I do get nominated, I will wear the dress that I bought when I first moved to LA.
That's so cute.
We're keeping this. Another rack done. Oh my God, this feels so good. Anyone who ever feels the urge to purge, do it. All right, guys. We just went through all of the clothing racks, but now we're about to go through the bags. I have a lot of bags. Guys, since moving to this house, I forgot everything I owned because it all just stayed down here. I missed this bag. This is like the Niki OG bag. Oh man, the Gucci bag, Fienza, when I lived in LA. We're gonna sell this.
I just don't like gold. There's a wig cap. Oh, Niki, sad tourist. Definitely keep this. Gabby gifted me this bag. She bought it and she didn't like it anymore, so she gave it to me for Christmas. This zipper broke, but it's a real Louis Vuitton. This is hot. Okay, fun fact. I went to Vegas with influencers and we all went designer bag shopping. I bought this Balenciaga bag. Dude, I was a 21-year-old just randomly casually buying a Balenciaga bag. Like, my life was weird, but I still love it. I love it. It's so cool. And it's just been down here this whole time. Oh my God, this was like the bag. I brought this to Bora Bora.
Do you wish that you could experience those things at the age you are now?
Yeah, I would have totally appreciated it, totally different. I just thought that like life just was like that lucky. It was so not normal. Casually dropped like a couple $1,000s on this bag before that Bora Bora trip.
Crazy.
Feels like a fever dream.
Ugh. That is it for this video, for this moving vlog. I actually feel like going through the basement is gonna make going through my closet feel so much easier. I feel like I'm on a roll. I feel like we got so much done. Purging and getting rid of old memories that don't serve you anymore is the best feeling. Guys, there were things down there that I've been holding on for years because I thought I would never be able to let it go. And I was just so ready to get rid of things. I don't know, I feel like my brain is just like ready. I'm ready for the next chapter. I'm ready for what's meant for me and I'm done holding on to baggage. I feel like this was like a therapeutic thing. But yeah, we're gonna pick back up with decluttering the upstairs. There is still so much to come. So definitely subscribe, press the bell if you guys want to see my part 2 moving video. I love you guys so much. You guys are in it. You guys have been in this for the long haul and I'm really excited to share this next journey with you guys. I don't know what's on the other side of it. All I know is so far it's been feeling right and it's been feeling good and I feel really solid. I feel like I'm cleaning up and fixing my life. So I love you guys so much. Thank you for always watching. Thanks for watching this video and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.